Today, we're going to learn in Spanish the body parts, some of them. So the important thing about this is to remember the keyword that we're going to be using as we learn the body parts. And the keyword is to touch. So in Spanish, to touch is toca. So touch is toca. Remember that, toca. And then after that, we're going to say the body part. So what I want you to do is repeat after me and also do what I do with my body. All right. So let's start. Toca tu cabeza. Cabeza. Good job. Toca tu frente. Frente. Good job. Toca tus ojos. Ojos. Toca tu nariz. Nariz. Toca tu boca. Boca. Well, that's it for today. Excellent job. Make sure you go ahead and repeat the video, practice this session before we see each other next time. Have a wonderful day. All right.